In simple staking, you find the different ways to stake Acre for some bonus rewards. You have the different day cycles of stakes, and all act like an individual stake. They are ongoing and running, and the green number shows you the countdown when the stake can be unlocked. You can put something in at any time, and I will show you now how I can stake something here in the 30-day pool, which is only left 25 days. I could just type in 100,000 and go with this, or I can just move the slider and it will take percentage from my total pool allocation, which I have currently on the wallet. It's very convenient. I prefer to type in a specific precise number. So in this case, I will stake 100,000 Acre. The MetaMask pops up to let me confirm it. See, everything is okay. Then it will take a moment to process on chain. It will add everything to my balance of my stake. Okay, the stake is successful. You see it here, and you already see that the total number of my stake has increased from 100,000 to 200,000. The rewards that accumulate here, you can withdraw them at any time, not just at the end of the stake. You could do this in between whenever you feel like it. The long stake of 365 days gets good rewards, so I could just withdraw something of the 1,400 something Acre there. I will click on withdraw. First, I will check once the tokens. As you can see, it always aligns with my values. I can press on withdraw and just confirm to withdraw all the current rewards, confirm the transaction of what I will receive, and wait a moment for the chain to process it. Now it's done. Okay. And this portion has been withdrawn from my rewards. The stake is still intact. And I can see here, if I go to my tokens, it has been added to my balance. So this is a short intro to the different staking pools. You can always distribute, look where the APR is good, stuff like that.